Hello friends, welcome to Mastering Bank Nifty YouTube channel. This is your mentor Sujit Bhaskar. Welcome to 18th January Bank Nifty analysis. Hope you liked my previous videos. If you like my videos, please do subscribe my channel. Please like the channel. Please press the bell icon to get the notifications. If you have any queries on technical analysis, if you need any clarification from my teachings, please let me know. Put it in the comment section. I will happily answer those queries. Before starting with today's analysis, if you had gone through my yesterday's analysis, I predicted a gap up opening. You can refer 17th January video which is available in YouTube. At the end of that session, as usual, we review whatever I said in the previous day. We will review that first. So if you refer my 17th January video which is available in YouTube, right, I told in the end that today will be a gap up opening. So that is the beauty of technical analysis. If you have a strong sound knowledge of technical analysis, you can 50 to 60% you can predict the market. I'm not telling 100%. Nobody in this world, even that guy is 50 years in the share market, nobody can predict the market. If you refer those telegram channels which will tell you that they can predict the market, absolutely wrong. Nobody can predict the market. Okay, the market has been predicted since till now is based upon the technical analysis. It is based upon the various factors, the various support and resistance levels, okay, and also based upon the psychology. You cannot predict a market. It is not that it's not like that the chart will go as per some predefined path. No, every microseconds it is getting changed. It is the psychology of the buyer and seller at that point of time. So nobody in the world can predict the market. We can just follow the trend of the. This is kind of a psychology. That psychology is being depicted as these candlestick charts. Okay, so everything is matters because there is lakhs and lakhs of traders participating in every second. I can say every microsecond. So all these fluctuations are part of it. And obviously there are some big players like FIAs, finance, foreign investments. So those people can play around. There can be some very high influencers, but most of the retailers are play with the their psychological mindset, right? So okay, so let us go back to today's session. So let us firstly go to the day. Okay, so first of all let me hide the all the indicators as usual, and let me okay, for time being I will hide all this line which we have drawn. What we can see, as we discussed in the previous session, it is kind of uptrend, then retestment happened on Thursday. Again, it's kind of a morning star. You can see here, and yesterday was also it's kind of indecision. Again, it went to. Today, market is closed slightly like 5%. 5 points, less than 0.02 percentage today. So what we can see, this is kind of a strong, what we can see that it's kind of a resistance points, right? It's broken the resistance. You can see if we mark here, let me put a mark here, let me put a horizontal line here. Okay, let me put an, okay, since we have hidden all these points, there's a lot of lines we have drawn here, right? So let me delete all those things and let me put that here. Let me draw one horizontal line. Okay, see this here, what is this level? This is kind of a big resistance level, right? The market again went, it again retested and it went up high. Again this is being broken. Now again this is a major resistance level. This is broken, went even, again it is kind of retesting here. Again it will go up. This is kind of a the retest is gives more, retest will give more bullish. Okay, so if this is this since today's red candle has been formed in a day trend, maybe the chances that again tomorrow it will be like tomorrow will be again it will be closed with a red candle, with market will close in the downtrend, I believe, because it may go down, but I feel that it can again come down, and it can just take the support of this range, right? So let me draw this so Fibonacci retracement and we can just draw one non for testing. So we will use one more thing which will give you okay, we will use, yeah, we can use this rectangle here. So this, we put this rectangle here. Okay, so this is kind of a range. So again, so what my opinion, the market can again come down. Obviously market will go uptrend only. This is kind of a retestment, this is a retest. Okay, again market is retesting, again tomorrow it may come down. I believe, strongly believe, maybe same thing as you do always, we will review that one. What my feeling is that market again will come down tomorrow. Maybe for some 2-3 days it will come down and touch this range, then again it will go up, right? So this is a good sign for the market for a long trend. This is just doing, because there is a strong resistance level which needs to be crossed. So again it is crossed, but again it is doing retest, again it will go up. Maybe tomorrow it may be like the market will close with a negative points only, with or I think it will just 2-3 days, I think another 1 or 2 days it will be like a downtrend, again it will go up. So whatever I said today, we will be reviewing the same thing in the next session, so that my viewers will get more belief in me. Right? Everybody needs belief, right? So I will be proving that belief. Okay. Okay. We will be removing this rectangular. This is okay. Let us bring down this one. We will just okay, we don't need this this thing, we will delete it. Okay, so we are now in the 5 minutes chart. Let me unhide all these things, all the indicators. And we are, let us zoom it. So let us mark the high and low point of 50 minutes. Okay, we mark the 50 minutes. Then we need to go to the previous major resistance level. We will put it in 30 minutes. Okay, this is very important to mark the previous session's major resistance and support level. That is very important for us to analyze today's market. Okay, so I'm just zooming it. This is the major level, we already marked it, and this is the major resistance level. Okay, now we will this is when this is on 12th Jan. Okay, this is the period, the major. Then let us go here. So we will not talk much, right, because this is already we drawn, but this is the major. So we already drawn these two things, right? Now we will go back to the today's session. Okay, now let me unhide the indicators. Okay, so we just drawn the today's high and low point in 50-minute session and the major resistance level from previous sessions. That is very important. Okay, let me little bit zoom it here. So as I said earlier, yesterday's session, the market opened gap up. So it's kind of a sideways only, because this is the major, previous major pivot point. So market plays within this. This is the CPR, central pivot range. So this kind of sideways in the pivot range. It's called the central pivot. So there is no good trade session until 11 o'clock. As soon as in the 11 o'clock, as soon as it has broken the CPR range, this point also is not good for you to enter. Since the market went kind of a sideways, you should not enter. Although maybe you may tell that yes, it is called the 50 minutes high point, today's high point. No, you should not enter because the market played for sideways for quite long time. Should again wait for a retest. Obviously, after this, after 11:40, it is called the high point. 11:30 again in 12:05. After half an hour again, this big once this candle, this 5 minutes big candle is formed and it is close the high point. This is the exact point where you should enter. Then you see how much point you have got here, right? If you wait for this, oh, whopping 368 points. That is a huge uptrend happened within the range of from there. What is that? 12:15 to 12 o'clock till 1:15. In the 1 hour time frame, we got 300 points. So whether you should trail all these things, no, your risk reward should be 1 is to 1.5 or 1 is to 2. You should play with that only. You should not take more risk. Okay, as soon as you have reached till here, as soon as this is crossed, this big candle is formed, and this is the major resistance level we have plot, right? As soon as this is crossed, maybe you should have exited from the trade. That's what happened. People just check. This is psychology matter. People just check. Hey, it is crossed this, then we should exit. That's what happened. Then this kind of a again it is retracement happened. This is a false breakout because already the market gave you 300 points. Don't believe that again it came down and at 210 you saw again market is going up, and if you are ended here, you told hey it's already retracement happened again the market. No, it's the market already it is 2 o'clock. Okay, if somebody might have entered here anchored in huge loss, right? They may expect the market will not go like that. Now it is a time of retracement, right? As I shown in the day trend, that's not the beauty of trending is technical analysis. In the trend, the day chart, I already shown that market is doing a retracement. It will test the range, then only it will go up. It will not suddenly go up today. So again, what happened? The market again. Well, let's see how long it fallen down. How long it fallen down. See, almost 700 points. 700 points of red candle. Such a beauty of the downtrend, right? So this today's session, if you leave the first 2 hours, this is a beautiful session only meant for option buyers. Somebody might have ended, they might have got such a good profits today. It's a very good day for all those option buyers. It's a good person for put a call option and put option. You might have gone huge profit today, right? So obviously today's session is very good. And so what is for tomorrow? Tomorrow I am expecting a gap down only because as I told in the day trend, you should play in the range which I had drawn in the beginning of the video. Again it will be like a retracement will happen, again market will go, again it has to come down, then it will go up. Maybe in 2-3 sessions it will be like a gap down only, the market will close in downtrend only. Now it is slightly it's only hardly 5 points down, but tomorrow I can expect a little bit more also. So again we will review whatever I said today in the tomorrow's after market analysis. If I am right or wrong, we will evaluate those things. But as far as my opinion, tomorrow will again market will close in the downtrend only. So that's all, guys. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, please press the bell icon, and please share this video to your friends and increase the views so that it will give motivation for me to put more and more and more videos. Whatever I say in this channel, with genuinely, I will not give any false statement or false information, or I will not say that market will play in this range tomorrow, it will this much points will go up. Nobody in this world can exactly tell. Only with the technical analysis, the trend analysis, you can predict that the market will behave like this. That's also with some accuracy, right? It's not that tomorrow if I am wrong, I say that I'm not, I can proudly say that I'm wrong, because market is like that, right? But with the analysis, with the technical analysis and the trend which is formed today with the previous sessions, referring to the previous sessions, the major resistance points, I predict that it will be like market tomorrow will close in gap down only, right? That is the prediction which I believe. After I did the technical analysis, I may be right, I may be wrong, but the probability of me uh, getting right with my analysis, I am confident of 70%. Okay. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Please be safe, take care of your family, and enjoy your life. Again, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye all.